Number 13. Hopefully that's lucky. The easiest balloon to make is a 3-twist dog. It's very simple, very easy. We actually have a whole balloon video on it, but let me show you what it looks like. You blow up a balloon, you tie it. Then, and you tie it. Then you fold it, give it a little squeeze. Where you squeeze is where you twist. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That is the easiest balloon to make. A 3-twist balloon dog. And we have the video for it on here. We also have the video on just how to do this one technique here called the fold twist. So you can jump right in if you want, but I recommend watch the fold twist video first because it will make sense on why it works. There we go.